So as we make standing seam roofs here, comes off this huge coil, bends through to the other side, and then you have your ribbed panels. And this is what's gonna go actually on the roof. So this is gonna be up there. Standing seam roof. Just like that. Hey Ramon.
Hello.
Hi. So tell the people at home what we're doing here.
What we're doing is standing seam.
Standing seam, okay.
It's not black panels.
See? And what's this piece right here, buddy?
This is the rake metal.
That's the rake. So that standing seam tucks underneath the lip here.
So right here, I made a notch to make it waterproof and water lap.
So this has to be over this piece in order for it to be 100% waterproofed.
Yeah, so and then we're going to put a lens cooking.
Yep.
Cut the panel and put it in. And
so we're gonna start putting the panel in now.